Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix common HeyGen avatar problems step by step. First, check whether the selected avatar is loading correctly in your project. Refresh the HeyGen page and make sure your internet connection is stable. Next, review your avatar settings. Make sure the correct avatar is selected and that the avatar is properly added to your video scene. If the avatar is not speaking, check the script and voice settings. Make sure there is text assigned to the scene and that a compatible voice has been selected. If the avatar's speech or pronunciation doesn't sound right, review your script carefully. Correct spelling, punctuation, and unusual words, then preview the video again. For problems with avatar appearance or positioning, check the scene layout. Adjust the avatar size and position so it fits properly within the video frame. If the avatar movement or lip synchronization looks unusual, preview the scene again and check the audio and script. You can also try regenerating the affected scene if that option is available. If the problem continues, refresh the project or sign out and sign back in. You can also try using another supported browser. After making these changes, generate the video again and preview the final result. Make sure the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, and visual layout all work correctly before exporting the video. And that's how you can troubleshoot common HeyGen avatar problems and improve the quality of your AI avatar videos.